You stupid, stupid!
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
Stay on it. Stay on it.
Okay.
Just a sec.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Hey, look. It's glue. I've been planning this all week to get you on.
Check and see if that box strap down.
Come back.
You got this?
Come on, Crusher, feel the burn. We can't give up now. Keep working. 3, 4. Come on. Abs of steel, Crusher. Just think. Bikini season soon. 7, 8.
Look what Miss Allison found. It's an egg. It must have fallen out of a nest. I couldn't find the nest, but this is an egg from a bird. Look at the beautiful color. It's blue. Oops. Oh my goodness, I have to be careful.
Oye, la letra no te... Oh!
Nice.
Hold on.
I'd rather have this kind of mouse in the house than the other kind, though.
Get it, get it!
Okay, what I found. Roach, a big one.
Stop it!
I'm gonna get somebody. Stuart, look what I got in the pool. Look what I got in the pool. Look at that, look at that.
She trained herself. She did that all on her own. We have absolutely no idea how the cat started peeing on the toilet.
But as the positive goes on, I'm going to tighten. Ah! Shit, come on, come on!
Okay, now jerk it real hard. Whoa! Daddy winning.
Wake up, Theo. Wake up. Oh, hi, Theo. What?
What sound does a whale make? I don't think I got it.
Ah, yeah! Ah!
Don't move, anybody. No, nobody move. Nobody move. Nobody move. Nobody move. When I say run, run like hell.
My little boy.
What are you out of your mind? Okay.
Yeah.
What does a whale say?
I don't know.
Why? Ham, 60.
Oh my god. Got the light switch? Can you bring it with you? No?
No, Smokey!
No, don't let go, Smokey. Don't do
Turn
it.
the lights off. Smokey, let go.
What does a whale say? A whale goes.
He went into my like socks and underwear tub and came out wearing my Christmas underwear. Oh.
Do you not see this? I'm being attacked by a turkey. Now, quick.
Mom, don't. This is cruelty.
Where's Joe? Where's the ice cream?
Coulter, Alice, starting a little pup.
Oh, we lost Papa.
What does a pig say?
Oink.
What does a whale say?
Great. Now feel over it.
Watch it.